Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Teriyaki sauce has 4 main components: soy sauce, sake, or mirin, if you're taking it easy on the booze, sugar and ginger. It's more or less your basic Asian seasoning, marinade. Soak meat, vegetables, fish or tofu in for at least half an hour before cooking.
Let's help you make your mark.
Teriyaki sauce is high in sodium, with just 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters, providing over 60% of the RDI for this mineral. High sodium diets have been linked to chronic conditions like heart disease and stroke. 49. Artificial sweeteners. Some observational studies link zero-calorie sweeteners to obesity.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Marinated chicken teriyaki made healthy chicken is a rich source of protein that the body needs to perform its functions in growing, repairing and maintaining cells and tissues. It is also vital in strengthening immunity. It's a good source of phosphorus, selenium, iron, magnesium and B vitamins.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Almost any cut of chicken can be used, but chicken teriyaki is most commonly prepared with the leg meat, thighs or drumsticks, which is filleted to ensure it cooks evenly. The skin is left on the chicken to keep the meat moist and it takes on a wonderful caramelized hue while getting slightly crispy as it grills.
Let's help you make your mark.
Teriyaki chicken isn't the healthiest depending on how it is prepared. Even though it can be a good source of protein, it can be high in calories, fat, and sodium. They can be made healthier with healthier ingredients and should be consumed in moderation.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.